All right, what do we got going on here?
We got some new shirts in for the Crab Festival weekend. Well, I mean,
This will help.
not just the Crab Festival, but you can buy them now.
So Crab Festival merchandise available at Roy's.
Of course.
Will these be available online?
Possibly.
I'm just trying to think of all the questions that are going to be asked.
Yeah.
How much are they going to cost?
I don't know off the top of my head.
We don't know yet, folks.
I have
We'll
to
have to
look.
get back with you on that one.
I can't.
This is
I
live.
don't remember. I don't remember. I have to look in the computer.
Okay. What other questions? Well, we'll show you the colors.
Don't. I wouldn't stand there.
Maybe I shouldn't film this part.
Yeah. You're
Okay,
making
she's
me nervous.
all right. We'll be right back. Okay, no one was injured so far.
These are the lace up ones.
Lace up.
It's gonna say. It's gonna have that on the front.
Roy's Restaurant, established 1969.
And that's navy blue.
Oh, I just noticed it's sparkly. It may not pick that up on the.
Silver glitter.
Very nice.
Hannah? Where's Hannah? Hannah didn't see it.
Nope.
Hannah likes
We'll have
it.
to get back with Hannah. Okay. So I'm gonna pause until we find some more colors. Here we go. Oh, I see pink.
Now, you know Crab Festival weekend is on Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
So you're saying this kind of ties in?
Yes, we thought we would tie it in together by
Nice. Oh, I love
Steam Hunchy.
Steam Hatchie. Look at there, folks.
And then this is the front. Absolutely
Available at Roy's Restaurant.
adorable. Sizes small to double X. But
Small to double X.
I'm possibly get a extra small. I don't know.
And we will post the price in the
Hannah.
video description, and it'll give you a link to the store. Check back later.